Ever stared at your phone, waiting for that approved notification from Beforepay, only to be met with a frustrating "unfortunately" message? You're not alone. It's a common frustration, and today, we're diving deep into the reasons why Beforepay might be saying no to your cash advance request. Let's face it, we've all been there. Unexpected bills, a sudden car repair, or just needing a little boost to get through to payday. Beforepay seems like the perfect solution, right? Quick cash, no fuss. But what happens when that quick cash doesn't materialize? Why is that approval so elusive? The reality is, Beforepay, like any financial institution, has strict criteria they need to adhere to. They're not just handing out money, they're assessing risk. And your application is a snapshot of that risk. First up, your income. It's not just about how much you earn, but how consistently you earn it. Beforepay needs to see a stable income stream. If your income fluctuates wildly, or if you're a casual worker with inconsistent hours, that's a red flag. They're looking for predictable patterns that suggest you can repay the advance. Next, your spending habits. They meticulously analyze your bank statements. Are you living within your means? Do you have excessive gambling transactions? Are you consistently overdrawing your account? These are all indicators of financial instability. Beforepay needs to be confident you can manage your finances responsibly, and that includes your existing spending patterns. Then there's your existing debt. Credit cards, personal loans, even those by now, pay later services, they all factor into the equation. If you're already heavily indebted, Beforepay might deem you too high risk. They need to ensure that taking on another financial obligation won't push you over the edge. And let's not forget your bank account history. How long have you had your account? Are there frequent overdrafts or bounced payments? A history of poor account management can be a major deterrent. Beforepay prefers to see a track record of responsible banking practices. Another key factor is your employment details. If you've recently changed jobs or are in a probationary period, it can impact your application. They need to see a stable employment history, demonstrating your ability to consistently earn income. Furthermore, there are sometimes very specific technical requirements that are not always obvious. For example, certain banks or account types might not be compatible with Beforepay's system. Or perhaps the information you provided during your application was incomplete or inaccurate. Even a small typo can lead to rejection. It's also worth noting that Beforepay's algorithms are constantly evolving. Their approval criteria may change based on market conditions and their internal risk assessments. What worked last month might not work this month. Don't take it personally. A rejection doesn't necessarily mean you're financially irresponsible. It simply means that, at this particular moment, your financial profile doesn't align with their specific requirements. So, what can you do? First, review your bank statements and identify any areas for improvement. Can you cut back on unnecessary spending? Can you consolidate your debts? Can you ensure your income is more consistent? Address these areas before reapplying. Second, double-check all the information you provide in your application. Ensure it's accurate and up-to-date. Third, consider waiting a while before reapplying. Give your financial profile time to improve. A few months of responsible financial management can make a significant difference. Finally, remember that Beforepay is just one option. There are other cash advance services and financial resources available. Explore your alternatives and find a solution that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.